I'm dyeing my hair purple. I got this because I was watching videos and stuff and it said to get it, so that's what I did. I have this because it's just white and so it'll dilute the color. Got these gloves. Who can say where the road goes? So anyway, like a lot of conditioner in. That's what it looks like. Should I put more color in?
That looks very purple.
But it's gonna be lighter when it goes on.
Yeah, but will it?
Yeah.
I would not fuck around.
Oh my god.
You're not spot testing at all.
What?
You're not spot testing.
Yeah, I am.
You're doing a whole strand.
You said to.
You just said spot.
Oh shit.
Nervous for you.
Why?
All you got to do now, all you got to do is go. All you got to do now, whatever you do, please go.
This is what we're working with. I might have to go back in, but verdict is in. It's definitely splotchy. So I don't know what to do. Should I go over it again? I honestly like it.
I don't hate it.
Yeah. It's like a little gray in some spots and darker in the others. Okay, it looks so much darker in the camera.
Gloves?
No, I'm over the gloves. I'm gonna try to curl it and make it styled so the colors kind of blend together because some of it is it's not the same shade all around, so final product.